Hey everybody, this is Joe Linder with joesphenomenal.com, and today we're going to be unboxing the Ninja Professional Food Processor model BN602. Now there's actually three models of this. There's the 602, the 601, and the 600, and during the unboxing we'll get into what those differences are. So you ready for this? Let's do it. Like I said before, there are three differences. There's the BN600, the 601, and the 602. The major differences between the three: this is the 602, the top end one. The 600 is 850 watts. It has 3 presets and 10 recipes are included with it. And it just comes with one of these discs, the one that does the slice and shred. If you get the 601, which is the one you can see in most stores, it's got 4 presets, it's got 20 recipes included, which I don't know, most people don't use those, but it's kind of nice to have them. And it's actually got a 1000 watt motor in it also. But really the big difference between those two is just the power of the motor. Other than that, and the one preset, they're the same. Now this is the 602. It also has the 4 presets, the 20 recipes included. It's got the 1000 watt motor. But the big difference is this thing right here. You get 3 discs actually that perform different things. There's a crinkle cut disc, there's a grating disc, and there's also a shredding and slicing disc. And you get 3 of them, plus you get a storage case for it. And the price difference is negligible. What? So really, you get a bunch of extra stuff without having to go and pick that up individually. I'm sure if you order that from Ninja, it's going to cost quite a bit more than the $20 difference than what I paid here. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. Well, it's kind of nice. They greet you right away with some great looking recipes here you can probably make. Probably these are in the little book or something that comes with it. Tips and tricks, ninjakitchen.com. They got their YouTube channel and everything else on here. That's kind of nice. Let's see what we got here. What do we got? Quick assembly guide. Okay. Basically it says how to put it together and what all the buttons do. Nice. Food Prep 101. That's kind of cool. Just a little cheat sheet. And another thing for making dough, if you've never done it before. Kind of a nice little addition there. This is the recipes book right here. It's got the 20 recipes in it. And as you can see, pretty colors, pretty pictures, all the directions you need to make all these, which is nice. It's a nice touch, I like that. Okay, basically precautionary thing, don't do these. Oh, and also, don't put your food processor in your oven. Okay. The blender's got the same thing with it, which is kind of weird. And your user guide. Little BN602 user guide here. Probably just tells you what to do. You know, I won't be using that anyway. I'm a guy. We don't use manuals. Okay. Let's check this out. One thing about Ninja, they pack all that stuff up really nice. There's your dough blade. This is probably a standoff for the discs, because the discs have to sit up near the top of the food processor. Probably this goes down on the spindle, and they sit up on top here.
That's what she said!
Okay. This goes down on the food processor. Basically, you put the food down there, and you can push it down with this. Oh, these are the discs in the storage. Nice, I like that. Like this. If I could open it. No! Well, that's weird. We'll open that up later. here. Okay, we got the container for the food processor here. Pretty cool, very cool. See, and this is what I was talking about. This just kind of goes right in there. And the base. It's all plastic, but it's actually not cheap looking at all. It's a really nice looking food processor actually. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great kitchen tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, let's check this thing out. It clicks right on. Oh, there we go. It's got an auto lock on the top right here. So you've got your regular blade that actually comes pre-installed in it. And then we got your dough blade that would just kind of go right in there if you were going to use that. For the most part, you're probably using that guy right there, 99% of the stuff you're doing. But if you want to use the disc, again, there was this guy here. That kind of goes right in there. And then, still trying to open this thing. I don't know what the hell's going on there. Oh, there we go. A little plastic protection there. Then we got our 3 blades. So you got one like that. This is the crinkle cut one. And this one is slicing and shredding. And it's actually reversible. So you got slicing on one side. This actually is the shredder. And then right here is for slicing. It even tells you right there what side is for what. And basically this just kind of goes up right on top in there. And you lock this back in place. And then probably you would have to use disc mode here. And you would put your stuff into the top here. Right up top. And you just kind of push it down through. And all your completed process stuff will be down here in the bottom. With the coming weeks, we'll be doing a full review on this food processor. I just need a couple of weeks to work with it, go through all the features, see how well everything works, and then I can kind of report back to you and make a video and throw it up on the channel, just so you know how good or bad this thing actually is. A lot of people make unboxing videos, they want to do reviews right away. I'm not so sure about that because you can't really review something that you haven't had any experience with. But anyway, keep an eye out for that on the channel, and we will get that up as soon as possible. Once again, my name is Joe, and I appreciate you so much for sticking around and watching this video. I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.